With so many books available to choose from, it can often be overwhelming to figure out what you're going to read next. One of the ways I choose books is by reading a book review. I go onto Amazon or into Google and I type in the book title, and then I see what other readers have to say about the book to get a good sense for whether or not I'll like it. Sometimes readers choose books that are easy or a bit difficult. An easy book is something that you like to read when you want to relax. A difficult book is when you really want to learn about a topic. But it's important to choose the just right book. The just right book is the book that you can read, understand, enjoy, and work out the challenges as you go. I'm going to have you get with a partner and turn and talk about a book you're reading now or a book that you've recently read. You're going to talk to your partner about why you chose that book. Did you like it? Was it a good fit for you? Was it easy, just right, or difficult? Go ahead and turn and talk.